What is going on, everybody? Today we have a knife from Extreme Ratio. This is the T4000 fixed blade that they have out in satin. So let's get this bad boy out of here. Okay, got some regular information in there. Okay, and that's how it comes with its holster. Okay, so that's the holster, the very rugged holster, very tactical. Looks like we have a snap on here so that you can put it through a belt loop. You also have basically some molly attachments here, so I guess you could actually probably run it through those. Probably be easier without the knife in there. So let's just go ahead and grab that knife out of there. Very cool blade. Nice Japanese style Tanto. Got your Extreme Ratio, made in Italy. Over here you've got your T4000, and it's basically, I think it's serial number, the 4000C. This is in Böhler N690 steel. Nice blood groove there in the blade. Very, very cool. So like I said, I think you could probably kind of run this through here to kind of tighten it up to adjust to a belt or to attach to other molly gear to, like a vest or something. So very, very cool. Lots of adjustments there. Nice heavy duty snaps. We do have a full, like a full kind of plastic aspect inside there to keep the blade from damaging the actual holster. So very good sandwich design. It might actually be leather. Or might be. So very, very cool. Fits nice in the hand in all positions. Very, very nice. Now they do have a DLC version too, but a lot of people wanted the stainless steel especially for camping and stuff like that. For food prep, they would rather have the satin. It's obviously very cleaner and more sanitary for when you're using it on a campsite for food prep and stuff like that. So that's why they have the satin version. So very cool. I like that's got a nice edge on it. I like a nice satin blade anyway. I like how nice satin just really pops. But very, very nice. We do have, let's see, an overall length of just a little over 8 inches with your lanyard section there. And with the whole thing, holster and all, you're looking at about 9 inches. So really not too bad of a size overall for EDC carry. You do have a full tang that goes all the way through this handle. You can undo this screw here. Undo the two screw, it's a through screw, and this handle, this kind of rubbery handle, will come off. So in case you need to clean it and get more in depth, if you get it really soaked in blood or something like that, if you're using it for hunting and stuff like that. So very, very cool, very accessible to clean and take apart. But you do have a full fixed all the way through handle. So very, very, very nice. So so it's got a hardness of about 58 HRC, so that's not bad for Böhler N690. Very, very cool. So very easy to carry. It obviously be a little on the big side maybe, and less concealable if you're EDCing it, but for hunting or camping, very cool knife with lots of options, and will obviously take a fair amount of abuse. So very, very cool. Like I said, very heavy duty snaps. and that is always good. So there you guys go. That's just a first look at the Extrema Ratio T4000C in Tanto satin. So alright guys, have a great day. We will catch you next time. Bye.